This screencast is going to be about regrouping with subtraction. So what happens if the number in the ones place on top of the problem is smaller than the number in the ones place on the bottom? We're going to watch this video to see how Miss Olivia explains regrouping.
So our first problem for regrouping with subtraction is 83 minus 25. The first thing you're going to do when looking to subtract is look at your ones place. The 3 and the 5. These two numbers are your ones place. So you can't take 5 ones from 3 ones because there's not enough ones in the 3 to take away 5. So you're going to look over to the tens place right here, and so you have 8 tens. That's what 83 is 8 tens and 3 ones. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a 10 away from the 8 to make it 7 tens, and then you're going to add the 10 you took away from over here to here. So you're going to have 13 tens, or 13 ones. So then now you can subtract the 13 from the 5, which is 8, and then the 7 from the 2, which is 5. So the answer to 83 minus 25 is 58. The next problem we're going to do is 64 minus 48. So again, the first thing you're going to do is look at the ones place. So the 4 and the 8. You can't take 8 away from 4, so you have to go to the tens place, the 6 and the 4. So you're going to take a 10 away from the 6 and make it a 5, so now you have 5 tens. Then the 10 you took away is going to come over to the ones place, and you're going to have 14 ones. So 14 minus 8 is 6, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So the next set of problems we're going to work on is problems that have a 0 in it. So the first one we're going to do is 40 minus 18. So that now, in the ones place, you have 0 ones, and you're trying to take 8 away from 0, which you can't do. So you're going to go to the tens place again. You're going to take a 10. So now this is going to be 3 tens instead of 4 tens. And you're going to add that 10 to the ones place. So instead of having 0 ones, you're going to have 10 ones. So that's where your 10 went. So now you can do 10 minus 8, which is 2, and then 3 minus 2, or 3 minus 1, which is 2. So the last problem we're going to do is 50 minus 25. So again, you're going to look at the ones place, and you can't take 5 from 0, so you're going to go to the tens place, and you're going to take a 10 from this 5, which is 5 tens. You're going to make it 4 tens. And then the 10 you took away is going to come over here to the ones place, and now you have 10 ones. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So 50 minus 25 is 25.